Where's the squirrel?
Dyan.
See the squirrel?
Dyan! It's that! Wow! Ouch!
Run.
Oh, come on.
The mommy's afraid.
Let's go.
The mommy's afraid.
I'll go. Let's play.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go there. Oh, careful, okay? Oh!
Wow!
Bata, ayaw mo na.
Oh no, it's wet? It's okay.
Okay. We need to change the, okay? You have new pants.
Come on, let's go. Come here.
Wow!
Here, Hunter. Here, puputik.
Uncle Jen. Oh, for Daddy.
Hi, Hunter. Oh, careful. Ano ba yung pants mo? Ayusin mo yung pants mo. Yung packet yung pants mo. Where is Hunter? Hi! Hunter!
Ha? Spin more?
Papa na!
Ha? Enough?
Yes! Where, Papa? Papa, fill up, guys.
Pareho pa pala kayo naka-red.
More.
Happy birthday!
Pag dumating na yung mga bee, ay sa tayo bago dumating. No?
Yung mga ibang babies.
Mga 8:30 pwede. Isang oras na yun. Kasi pag may, pag dumating na yung mga yun, ang hirap na ito.
Oo nga eh. Lalaroin niya kasi.
Ah!
Papa, what's mine?
Ha?
You wanna climb?
Yes, I want some pizza.
Ayaw mo ng pizza?
Papa, do up.
Oh,
Do over high. Papa,
you can do it.
over high.
Ah, you can do it.
High.
Han, baka mahulog ah.
Paano ka ba? Okay.
Bird.
Right? Swing?
Right?
Swing?
Right?
Fly?
Oh.
What? Bird? Where's the bird? Where? Yung bird. Dito na tayo sa loob. Ay, look, Hunter, look, yung squirrel. Look at the squirrel. It's eating. Look.
It's food.
Yeah.
It's very dirty. Ah!
Ay, tinakot mo naman eh. Hunter. You scared him away. Uy.
Where's the bird?
Wala na yung bird.
What color?
Pwede nga siyang basketball dyan, no?
Saan?
Wala
Saan?
kang tao.
Mataas yung ano.
Hindi, may bato na yung bola.
Ma-practice lang. Naku, ayun na naman, Han. Is it high? Hunter, thumbs up?
Papa, my eyes!
Huh?
Your eyes!
Your eyes?
Stop! Stop!
Stop.
Stop! Stop! It's broken!
Huh?
It's broke!
Where do you go?
Ay, yung squirrel daw.
Don't go!
Huh?
What go?
You want to go to the squirrel?
Sarah!
Anong sa ilalim, Hunter? Wow! No hands? Hunter is brave. Hunter, are you brave? Hi, so nandito kami ngayon sa Costco. Meeting kami ng mga panluto. Papakita ko, wait lang. So ito, pinag-iisipan namin kung yung ceramic, this one, or ito, or itong ceramic non-stick. Pero sabi ang mas maganda daw kasi yung stainless. Vlogger. What? Ikaw, ano gusto mo? Yan? Tupperware. You wanna buy that? For Hunter. Hunter, makabasag ka dyan ah. Tapos ito kinuha na. This one. Kasi ito maganda ka sa glass. Hunter, put it back. We're not gonna buy that.
I would buy that.
Why do you want to buy that?
Yes, I would buy your juice.
Oh, for your juice.
Yes, my cup.
Your cup for your juice. No, we will buy later at Ross. Yung maliit lang, Hunter, the small one. This one is for adults. We will buy the small one. Later, okay? Pwede ba? Kasi pag ito naman, set naman siya. Sobrang dami. Meron pa kami doon. And then this one too.
It's something lang to.
Put your bag.
Hindi siya pwede yung ano.
Papa, put the bag top.
You want me to put it back?
Yes.
Okay. Tama naman yung anak mo.
Konti lang pala bibilin natin.
What?
Banana food.
You want banana? Oh, konti lang. Wala mo tayo masyadong bibig.
Papa,
Meron pa tayo sa
Meron pa sa
At saka
bahay.
wala dito out of stock.
May bago pa dun.
Ang sa lemon. Lemon.
Guys, sobrang cute.
Papa.
Ito, favorite ko.
Where's Papa?
Ano ba to?
Wow.
So, dapat 2. Hi! Do you want that? So, we're still here. nandyan yan kasi pagod na. Kakalaro sa playground kanina. Hi, Hunter! Ay, ano, baby? Ay, ang cute naman ng baby. What's your name, baby?
Baby Hunter.
Oh, baby Hunter.
Kaka.
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 Pinalitan lang namin ng damit kasi naglaro sa playground.
It's puppet flash me.
I'll show your pizza.
It's baby.
Really big pizza. Wow. Eh, baka matapon, Hunter. Put it back.